Coed y Brenin is a forest located between Dolgellau and Trawsfynydd in the Snowdonia National Park. It's very popular for all types of outdoor activities, and we're here with some mountain biking newbies, and more experienced ones, to enjoy what's on offer. There's plenty of places to park, and once we've bought our ticket, we're free to do as we want. After making sure everything is ready, the first two of our team make their way for the centre. But before we start, I had the chance to talk to Andy Braund, Forestry Commission Wales' mountain biking ranger on the site.
Coed y Brenin was the first mountain bike trail centre developed in the UK. It was about 15 years ago. A chap called David Davis decided there was a gap in the market for mountain bikers, as there wasn't many places to go. So he started building mountain bike trails, and it took off. And since then, it's actually spawned a lot of other trail centres throughout the UK because of the success that people could see here in terms of bringing visitors to the area. So the economic benefits to the local area, and also the health benefits of getting people out into the forest itself. There's about 150,000 visitors per annum at the moment, as the current figures, and we're hoping to increase that with the new developments here. Well, it's not just mountain biking here anymore. That's what the place first got known for, and became a very iconic centre for mountain biking. But now it's actually we've opened it up to more people, so it's walking trails, we've got play areas, and we've got all ability trails, geocaching and orienteering. So we've now opened it up to quite a wide variety of people.
The girls are the second part of our team for today. They've come to try their hand at the mountain biking. Unlike the lads, this is a relatively new experience for them, but it's possible to get all the gear you need on site. It's also easy to find the different courses which suit all ability. With information boards placed conveniently around the forestry, you can plan the route ahead with ease. The girls make their way to the bike hire area, but of course there's a shop to see first. If you bring your own bicycle or borrow one for the day, there's all sorts of equipment available. So if you forget anything, the helpful staff are close by to advise you. The atmosphere is very laid back and pleasant. A perfect opportunity to spend some time with friends and close ones. And that in an area beautiful beyond belief. You can even bring the dog with you. There's a welcome for the whole family. As you make your way through the age-old woodlands, you feel close to nature, with plants and various birds to be seen. As the boys are familiar with this type of activity and are more comfortable with the bike's ability, they choose one of the harder courses to start, while the girls take a more leisurely approach. That's one of the best things about Coed y Brenin, the fact that it's a centre for everyone, from the beginner to the more advanced. One thing is for certain, that everyone will taste some of the adventure during their visits.
Yeah, it's great coming here without any equipment, just coming to rent the bikes and coming to the shops and buying the stuff that we need, and then off the tracks we go, and then it's great at different tracks as well, so it's great here.
Well, I wanted to do different outdoor activities anyway, and today I've just tried with the cycling. Me and the girls have just come just for the first time, and it's really nice because we're on the very lowest level. The tracks is really easy. I think it's a blue track, the new one is, and you can see the families of all ages, from young to the older ones. But it's really nice. I can see other people walking, doing different activities and stuff. So yeah, it's really nice. It's a very nice place.
The paths are to the highest standard and smooth to cycle on, but don't let that lull you into a false sense of security either, as there is also plenty of adrenaline along the way. It's an amazing sight as the bicycles tail each other in descent, making their way to the bottom of the forest in a single file. During the year, there are various competitions held here as well, with many travelling from across the country to enjoy. Whatever the weather, the paths are relatively sheltered under the canopy of the trees, so it's an activity for any time of the year. It's important, however, to wrap up warm, and some of the paths can take up to 4 hours to complete, but the staff are always at hand if you need further assistance. There is more information online, as well as MP3 tours to help you around the beautiful Coed y Brenin forestry.